Now we will insert our scanned images of the ant sketches into AutoCAD. So I believe you have downloaded the ant sketches files. If you have done that, then you can continue with this video, but if you have not, pause this video and do so now. I don't want you to miss anything out of this lesson, so it will be very good if you are on the same page. So if you have downloaded the scan images, let's continue. To insert our images, let's go to the Insert tab ribbon, click on Insert tab. From there, we'll go to the Reference panel. Under the Reference panel, we'll click on Attach. So when we click on Attach, from here, you locate where your 2D sketches are, where I've located mine. So one thing to take note again is the file types. You make sure that the option you select is all images, so for it to display your sketch images. So double click on the ground floor and you have another dialog box pop up here. Make sure that the specify on screen is checked under the insertion point, and scale, under the scale you specify on screen, make sure it's also checked and you click OK. So now pay attention to your command line. It's telling you a specify insertion point. So just click on an arbitrary point, and scale factor is asking for the scale factor now. Input 1000 as the scale factor and click on enter. So we have inserted our sketch image into our AutoCAD. So we'll repeat the same process to insert the first floor, because we have just inserted the ground floor. Go back to Insert tab, Reference panel, click on Attach, and our Select Reference File dialog box come up. Double click on first floor. We have our Attach Image dialog box coming up, and make sure that Specify on screen is checked and Specify on screen is also checked for the scale. Click OK, and just click somewhere beside the ground floor and insert specify scale factor. We insert 1000 as our scale factor and hit enter. So now we have inserted all our sketches into the AutoCAD. So we just make sure they align very well. Click on the move command and move it beside the ground floor, and note that we'll start our drafting from the ground floor, and after doing the ground floor we'll go to the first floor. So we are done inserting our sketches. We'll move to creating our walls and other element of the plan.